What's good, y'all? This is Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat. Today we're doing another Dapper Rant. Apple Watches suck. Now, I went to the Apple store a few weeks ago because my Apple Watch won't hold a charge. They couldn't repair it. Instead, they told me I had to pay $199 to send it off. For $199, I can give me a whole new Apple Watch. Hey, Dad, chill out, bro. Don't be acting like you wasn't in love with that Apple Watch when you first got it. I remember when I first got this watch. I swore by this watch. This is the only watch that I wore. You was like, I ain't wearing none of these watches ever again. F these watches, all I'm wearing is an Apple Watch. This watch was everything to me. I wore it every day, all day. This is all that I wore. Hey, bro, you own like 11 watches and none of them work because you was wearing that Apple Watch so much. All the batteries is dead. You know, for a while I thought that this would be the last watch I ever bought. I will wear this for the rest of my life. You know, that was it. This watch works with my phone. It syncs very well with it. I can get all my text messages. But now this watch is dead. Yeah, but what about the good things about it, bruh? I mean, you used to work out with it. You used to go on your runs every day. Running with the Apple Watch, you was in heaven, bruh. One of the primary reasons why I got this watch is because I was into exercising. I was running. I was keeping up with how many miles I ran. You know, how long it took me. Hey, man, you used to go on your runs. You used to control your playlist with that boy, man. How could you not like that, man? I mean, yeah, that's true. Hey, bruh, another good thing about the Apple Watch is you could change the faces. I mean, yeah, Joe, you right, man. I mean, you can change the faces, which is one of the nicer things about the watch. Remember that picture you had when you first had your baby? And you had a picture of y'all on there together when y'all was cuddling? You know that picture was beautiful, bruh. Hey, man, you ain't even got to put me out there like that, man. Not in front of all these people, man. Man, when you think about all the watches they got out here that can sync up with your phone, they hold a charge. They last you about 3 to 5 days. But with this watch, you got to charge it like every day. It's a little frustrating to me. I mean, when you ready to wear it, and you look down on it and it's about to die, you can't even wear it, so you gotta think of other options. So what if you had to charge it up every day? You know, when you woke up every morning, you threw that Apple Watch on, you was probably taking showers with it, you probably wasn't taking it off at all. I mean, I only took a shower in it like 1 or 2 times. Don't forget that Apple Pay on that boy, man. I mean, yeah, being able to use Apple Pay off the watch was great, and I ain't gonna lie, man, when you have to register using your Apple Watch, it's kind of an opportunity for you to show off or whatever. I mean, you know, sometimes I get into that kind of stuff a little bit. Not like that. I'm a little humble. You got like 3 different straps. You should change them boys up. I mean, a lot of people make straps for the Apple Watch because they know they're very popular. And you got a large variety of straps that you can choose from. So, I mean, of course, that's a plus. It didn't even matter if the straps matched what you had on. You was wearing it just because you wanted to. You didn't care. Wait, hold on, Joe. That was between me and you. You're not supposed to share that with the whole Dapper Aristocrat community. Bro, you know you love that Apple Watch. Man, one thing I had to realize, y'all, is these Apple Watches are just computers. You know how like you buy a computer and you expect it to last you for a certain period of time, but you know it's not gonna last you forever. One day, depending on how well you take care of it, it's gonna die on you one day, and then you're gonna have to get another watch. That's the reality of these Apple Watches. One thing that I know is I can always depend on all my other watches that I have in my collection. That's one thing I can count on. If the battery die, I can always throw a new battery in there and then I'm back up and running, which is not the case with these Apple Watches. Once the battery die, I gotta pay $199 just to get it fixed or to get a new watch. And to be honest with you, I could save that $199 and it could go toward a watch that I love. Hey bruh, let me ask you this. If you had the money right now, would you get you another Apple Watch? I don't know, man. I gotta take care of my responsibilities first. Once those are taken care of, then if I got the money to buy another Apple Watch, you might see me with another. Oh my God, man. And I miss it, y'all. I miss it. Unless I could find some other options that I could choose from. If you guys know of any other options that I have as far as watches that serve the same purpose as an Apple Watch, leave that comment below. Please don't criticize this video, y'all. It's just my opinion. I do like Apple Watches, but the one thing that sucks about them is that they're just computers and they're not made to last forever. Thanks for watching. Always remember to be a gentleman. Stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.